Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will also be talking more about this platform that I have been working on for the past few days now. So as you can see, my current balance now is I have about 13,000 naira right here. So and this platform is actually paying massively. So for those that have not registered on this platform, so I recommend you sign up using the link in the description of this video, so you can as well start up with the free plan without you making deposit first. So with the free plan you can be able to earn some amount of money on daily basis from this platform. So when you sign up, you will get to download the app. So that is how to do it. Immediately you sign up, you click the down link for the app application to be downloaded. So immediately you download, you log in with your phone number and the password you created during the sign up process. So immediately you're on your dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. So and these are the various plans that are available on this platform, so ranging from level 1 to higher levels up to level 8, as you can see right here down my screen. So right there you have level 1. So this level 1 is a free plan where you can be able to earn some amount of money on daily basis without even having to make deposit first. So I will show you how to do your task on daily basis. So what you need to do is immediately you sign up and register and download the app, you get to come to your dashboard and to look like this. So the next thing you're going to do is to start taking task. So right now, to take your task, you simply need to click on the products that you've purchased. So that is what it is. You click on it and place orders and receive commission from this platform. So depending on the product you are able to purchase, if you are still on the free product plan, you get to do the task also. So what you need to do is to click on the task or the product. So immediately you click on it, it will take you to the task completion stage, where you need to place order and receive order too, and the number of orders you are expected to receive right here is 18 orders on daily basis, and this $18 can earn you different amount of money. So I actually topped up 12,000 naira using naira method of recharge or deposit. So as you can see, I am earning 1,036 naira on daily basis. So when I complete this 18 orders, I earn 1,036 naira. So but I don't also advise you to do that. So you can choose the plan that is suitable for you, and also the plan you can afford to carry on, because you know all these online platforms are full of risk. But those who understand the tricks and decide to register early when an update is being dropped like this, those are the people that can easily make their money and make extra profit from any platform that they have joined. So for you to be able to complete the task, you need to click right here. So when you click here, you receive 18 tasks 18 times. That means you are going to click on this receive order up to 18. It will keep counting from 1 to 18. So immediately it is 18 over 18. You know that the task for the day has been exhausted. So that is how it works. Now, when once you receive your order and the task has been completed, you will need to go back to your dashboard, and you notice that your amount will change. So the total amount you should have here will be approximately the earnings that you've received on daily basis from this platform. So that is how it is. For you to be able to top up, for those that are willing to make deposit and make more money online using this platform, so what you need to do is to click on this top up. So when you click on top up, it will take you to this page for deposit. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on this, any of this. Maybe you click on this transfer, then you add the total amount you want to top up with. So, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on top up. So immediately you click on top up, it will take you to a new page where you need to copy the account number and the account details, so and the transaction narration. So that is what you need to do. Go to your mobile app, make the deposit, then come back and then purchase the app. So immediately you deposit, it will immediately pick up the product that has matched with the amount you have on your balance. So that is how it works. You don't need to recharge, to upgrade or to purchase anything. Just click on the product, assuming you deposit 4k. So on this platform, what that is equivalent to 4k, the plan that is equivalent to 4k for you to be able to make your daily profit is this 4k plan. Even if you have 5k, you have a reserve of 1000 naira in your balance, but the one that will be running for you for the package you have actually subscribed for is this 4k. So you just need to click here, and when you click here, you'll be earning at the rate of this product you purchased. So what you'll be earning on daily basis is what that should be equivalent to this task commission here. So what you'll be earning when you get this plan of 4k is 3,324 rather. So 324 naira per day. So that is the total amount you should be earning with 4k. So when you get to 4,000 naira as well, that is the minimum withdrawal available on this platform. So when I click on my home screen again, I'll go to profile at the end of these options that have been provided here. So, and when I want to top up using, for those that might not be registering from Nigeria, or those that prefer using USDT to recharge, what they need to do is to click on this next option here, which is coin recharging, and it's most recommended. So when you click on coin recharging, you select USDT. So you select USDT here, and so immediately you click on that, you click here. So let me just click on USDT, then it will bring you this transfer wallet address. So what you need to do is simple. It's very simple. If you are using Binance or Trust Wallet or any crypto wallet exchange platform, what you need to do is to copy this address, go to your address, go to your wallet, make this deposit and come back. Then immediately you deposit, it will reflect. So, and as you can see, this is TRC20. Do not transfer anything that is different from this address that they have provided here. So, and you can as well top up for your friend. So for instance, you want to make payment for your friend using your bank, using your wallet balance. So what you need to do is to click on this top up, just click on that top up, this top up for a friend right here. So when you click right here, you can be able to come to this page. Then you top up the amount you want to transfer to your friend, or in USDT, depending on the one you prefer. So this means those that might not be registering from Nigeria, you need to make use of USDT and then register immediately you recharge your account. So guys, when once you do that, you confirm right here, and you will earn 5% of the amount that you've sent to your friend. So, and next thing you're going to do is, I want to show you how you can make a withdrawal from this platform. So immediately you deposit and you've earned up to the minimum withdrawal, and you want to withdraw your money. What you need to do is to click on this withdrawal behind top up at the top corner, at the top right corner of the screen right here. So when I click withdrawal, I can be able to choose the amount I want to withdraw. So as you can see right here, I can enter the amount here. So for instance, I want to withdraw 10,000 naira. I will just click on this and then choose the type. So I'll select this, and I've already inserted my bank details here. So next thing I'm going to do is to confirm withdrawal. So that is how it is. You will now get to withdraw successfully. So that is how you can withdraw from this platform. So guys, if you are yet to register here, quickly do that. And for those that want to recommend others to join the program, all you need to do is to use this reward option. So when you click on reward option, you can see the number of people that I only referred are just 3 people who purchased. See, the only profit I got from that is 2,700. So that is how it is. Immediately you refer a friend, you get 900 naira reward or commission for the invitation. So that is how it works. Now for you to copy it, you need to click on this invite now. So when you click on invite now, it will pop up a page for the copying of wallet address. So just copy this then you go to your platforms like WhatsApp or other social media platforms, and then send them the link. Let them join through your referral option. Then you guys will make money together. So for you to check other stuff, you can come to this place. So you can just read up some of the process of making money online using this platform. So this is the tons of written articles that you can read up about the platforms. And also for you to get to know more about this platform, you come to this place and read up the introduction and about us here. Then you can also make use of the informations that have been provided to be studied right here. So you can go through this through your profile details, and then after that you get to be more conversant with this platform. So guys, so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I drop updates almost every day on this channel, just to ensure that I keep you guys equipped with the methods that I have applied and it's working for me. So always ensure that you are able to invest what you can afford to forget about immediately you want to make online deposit or investment, as you know that every investment is full of risk. But if you understand the tricks behind every investment opportunities, you get to maximize it. So guys, so thank you for watching, and like the video if it has added value to you, and expect to receive more opportunities using my channel here. So thank you guys.